Take a night ride through Ocala, and Peter has organized this. You know Peter from some of the other videos, and Peter has brought his dog
Telescope.
Woohoo! Jeep dogs, ain't nothing better than that. But first, we're gonna have to have a driver's meeting, and I don't even know where we're gonna fall in the lineup, but this is a little bit different because I'm not leading the trail, so we can't randomly stop or randomly jump out or randomly have people pass us. So you're gonna get a view while we try out one of our new cameras that's supposed to have night vision.
We're gonna be leaving here. We're gonna head south of the way, so we're going into the forest. It's very, very important tonight that you obviously just maintain a view of the vehicle in front of you and the one behind you.
Cameras are plugged in. Wait till the next stop.
Radio check 14.
I'll go.
So the highlight of our pre-run today was that we saw a pretty good sized black bear at the end of the day. It was great to see one. But just in case anybody didn't catch the post on Facebook about this ride, there is some pinstriping. It's not overly tight, but there is bits that you will curse me if you've got nice brand new paint.
Out on a Jeep trail, and it's Christmas time inside my Jeep. And here we go. Jeeping in Ocala at night.
Dominic, I didn't hear you. If it's a problem with my squelch, flash your lights so I know there's a problem with my squelch. Over.
We have some oncoming. Scott, are you behind me?
Jeeping at night is a whole different experience than Jeeping at daytime. If you're in a group of people, turn your lower lights on and turn off your headlights. It just makes it easier on the person in front of you because the headlights are not bobbing all over the place. So if you're going to come out, I definitely would recommend coming out with a group of people, especially at night. And you could get lost out here. You could get stranded out here because of how big it is. So if you're wheeling with a group, like tonight we're with the Orlando Jeep Club, a couple of things for driver etiquette are not only not shining your bright lights into the person in front of you, but you should always keep the Jeep behind you in sight. If the Jeep behind you is out of sight, then you should stop for a second, hopefully the person in front, because that person might be having some kind of technical problem, might be getting stuck, a lot of things. So it's good practice to always keep the Jeep behind you in sight.
This is where we have it.
Well, the difference between this ride and the day ride is the difference between night and day. Not just in the fact that one was in the day at night, but this ride is bumpy, tight, and there are branches reaching all in, and we have vinyl windows, so
we took our windows off.
I took the windows off because I don't want to scratch them. They're fairly new, and at $500 for just the front windows, I don't want to scratch them up. But it is meandering through areas that are very close to part of the Tread Lightly trail. It's bumpy and it's cool. I'm enjoying it, but for people who don't like to get their Jeep scratched at all, they are probably cringing. But you got to make a choice. With your Jeep, you can take it out and enjoy it, or you can not go on trails like this.
Just breathe in as you go down the trail.
You can squeeze in.
The glasses. I'm protecting the glass.
What glass?
The plastic one.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, go for it.
By the way, this is as bad as it gets.
Then I really can't have the camera out. And inside it doesn't work because I see all the lights reflecting back.
Mm-hmm. Can you get to the top of the trees? Like up above us?
Let me try to do that. Oh, what? Forget it. Keep going.
What'd you do?
That was when the earrings came off, and I just threw it out the window thinking it was a bug.
Okay, and you thought it was a bug?
Yes. I wasn't about to feel and see what it was like, but once I threw it out, I realized those are two little round balls. That's my earring. And I saw the white going out the window.
Peter. This is a scratchy trail. Oh no. I think I'm going to have to change the name of this video from Ocala by night to just how scratchy is the trail.
Just holding up a second to let everybody bunch up.
Oh, that's really cool. blinding your eyes, Matthew.
Hey. Good for you. Yeah, we're going to.
Steve, you having any deja vu?
Yeah, it all looks familiar now. Are you guys on here today?
Yeah, this is the way we came up. We decided to drive all the way up through Ocala. We took this same trail.
Funny.
Yeah, if our timing would have been different, we would have definitely ran into you because we were going north.
Yeah, we left camp this morning at 9 and hit the trail around 9:30.
And you left work at 9:30?
Yeah, I left work a little after 9. But when we came out, there was just hunters all over the place. Even dogs walking on this road.
Fair enough, we didn't see any dogs on the trail, but we saw lots of them on the back of the pickups and stuff.
Hello, Matt. Oh, how good are you at stargazing? Over.
I was in the Boy Scouts. I know my constellations.
Okay, well, maybe you can teach me a few things tonight then. Over.
Oh, you can't see them. I can see them, and I don't.
Oh, I don't know the name of it, but somebody chip in. There's a really good app for the iPhone that you can just point up and it will tell you what every star is.
Yeah, I do have that app, and you can point it up, and it's pretty clear.
Just coming up to where we are going to turn around. I would really like it if somebody was brave enough to try and cross that water in front of us, but I think it looks a little bit sketchy.
When you find a suitable spot, I would appreciate a pit stop, if possible. Thank you.
Are you going to do the star thing?
No.
Thank you very much.
So thanks for leading the trail. Thanks for doing all the pre-cutting on that. If you want to see what it looks like with without the light, that's what we'd be looking at. Turn on my lights, my brights. See y'all later.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Wait a second. There we go. See you later. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
I like Liberty. I was. Did I call it a Liberty earlier?
Yeah.
Yeah, I love it. People always like cracking on a Liberty or whatever, and it's like, man, you have not seen them lifted and rigged out.
And V8 swap and manual transmission swap.
Oh, nice, nice. Woo! We're getting in.
It's not what these people are here.
I know. Well, look, let me just tell you, it is night and it's dark and it's hard to film. So just in case I don't get much more filming done, I want to thank you guys for watching tonight's video on Ocala by night. It's had some scratchy stuff, but hope you enjoyed your ride. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. I'm Matt, and this has been a Florida Jeep Ride.